babasahin ko pa. Gusto ko maka-Tagalog dahil sa inyo guys. So, para ganito tawag yun. By the way, nag-English pa ako?
Oo, nag-English ka.
Halabe. Sige, bigyan niyo ako ng last chance na maka Tagalog. May 3 akong heart at isa nawala.
Kung tapos na yung heart mo, ako naman mag-Tagalog.
Nag-English ganina. Ako ay isang akong Bisaya at English at Tagalog. Hala!
He's logging.
Ugh! That bacon is destroyed. She is hacker or logging. If my subscribers hit 1,000, what is it again? 1 key, I will blow this balloon. And make sure to like and you see this? 100 M. Need to do this for me. Please guys, so let's do this slowly. So, see you next. Bye-bye. Subscribe.